Good evening, everyone. Hope you are having a good time. My name is Krishna Mahato. Today we are going to talk about PG extensions. So let's understand what is PG extensions. Sorry, what is extensions? So basically, extensions are like in plugins which helps you to elevate your overall functionality of your database. And imagine if your database could do more than just storing a data. What if it could handle AI-powered searches or boost up your securities, even can connect your MySQL database effortlessly? So here are a few commands which you can perform through PSQL tool. To know more about create extensions syntaxes, or else you can refer to official document. And here we have some categories, like there are versatility of extensions, like we have for analytics, we have around 14 extensions, and for connectors, we have around 27, and so on. So while extensions makes Postgres flexible and powerful, but there are challenges too. So wherein not all extensions support across cloud providers. There could be a migration headache. For example, moving from RDS to Cloud SQL or a same provider, there could be a break of functionality. So choosing the best extension, choosing a best extension can be like a headache for us, and understanding. So I have my colleague with me who can give you the solution part, wherein how we can check what all cloud provider supports what all extensions. Over to you, Akash.
Thank you, Krishna. So as my colleague mentioned, you mostly get a very much confusion while choosing the right PG extension while keeping in the same services. So you keep juggling between the multiple services, right? So for tackling those confusions, we have a solution, pgextension.org. So to address the confusion regarding PG extensions, pgextension.org leverage you to revolves around the multiple cloud providers with the multiple filters. You can go across the application and you can figure out which extensions are being mostly suitable by which cloud providers, services, categories, and so on. So this is a basic overview of our app, which will be helping you to revolve around multiple providers, services, categories, and so on. Any user can be very much clear about in case of migrating their database from one services to the another, which will be more easier, efficient, and which can be helping them in improving their performance as well. And so in all around our PG extension app, we are mainly taking around near about 9 to 10 cloud providers, around 12 to 13 services, and we are covering around 23 to 25 categories and functionalities, and around 300 to 500 extensions are been there to compare with. So feel free to scan the QR code and explore the pgextension.org, and you can play around with the extension you might be knowing through multiple services and cloud providers. So thank you so much.